Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom in Procreate. First, open your Procreate canvas. Navigate to the Adjustments menu, which looks like a magic wand icon at the top left of your screen. From there, select Bloom to activate the effect. This feature adds a beautiful, soft glow to the brightest parts of your illustration, enhancing luminosity and atmosphere. It's a fantastic way to make your artwork truly shine. Once Bloom is active, you will see three main sliders: amount, threshold, and size. The amount slider dictates the intensity of the glow from 0 to 100%. Threshold sets the brightness level at which pixels begin to bloom. A lower threshold means more areas will glow. Finally, size controls the spread of the glow, from a subtle halo to a wide diffusion. Experiment with these to find your desired effect. Bloom is incredibly versatile for creative expression. Use it to make light sources appear more vibrant and realistic, such as a glowing lantern or a sunlit window. It can also create a magical, ethereal quality for fantasy art, giving characters or objects a soft, otherworldly aura. By strategically applying Bloom, you can draw the viewer's eye to key areas, adding both depth and a captivating visual interest to your pieces. For the best results, remember a few key tips. Often, less is more. A subtle bloom can be far more effective than an overpowering one, maintaining detail and clarity. Consider duplicating your artwork layer before applying Bloom, allowing for non-destructive edits. Also, be mindful not to overbloom, as too much glow can wash out your colors and reduce contrast. Aim for a balanced and harmonious effect in your final piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.